Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we are seeing impact of the tariff imposed by US on Mexico, Canada, and China. The impact is not only on these countries but to the overall uh, whole of the world, wherein the impact is felt in the form of dollar appreciating and other currencies depreciating, and fear about that whatever has happened to Canada, Mexico, and China can happen to other countries as well. And we are seeing Asian market correcting. Quite a few market has opened after a holiday period of 3-4 days, whereas China is still closed. But Japan, uh, Korea, which were open on even Friday, had seen some good corrections. Uh, and because of this, we may see impact on Indian market as well, though we have a positive sentiment from the budget, which had some positive impact, uh, which can have some positive impact on consumer related companies, whereas capital goods can suffer. uh, this altogether today can have uh, these Trump tariff can lead to higher impact the budget positive. So we may see some corrections because of that in the today's trade. Uh, I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you. So, good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a gap down note and we're likely to witness some sideways momentum during the day. From last few trading sessions, we have seen a very strong pullback rally from 23,000 levels towards to 23,600. But as of now, due to the global issues, we are likely to witness some sort of a profit booking or say the corrections, which might take a nifty downside towards to 23,300 levels. So for the today's intraday purpose, the first support is placed at around 23,340. Any move below that level on the closing basis also will extend this fall towards to 23,270 to 23,200 levels. Whereas on higher side, the immediate resistance is placed at around 23,570. Any move above that level will attract some sort of a more buying into the market, which may take a nifty towards 23,640 to 23,700 levels. So the overall view is cautious. Already we have seen almost 600 points bounce back rally on the nifty front. So profit booking can be witnessed in the near term futures. Coming towards the bank nifty, support is placed at around 49,470. Below that level, 49,240, 49,000 levels can be tested, whereas the resistance is placed at around 50,000 will be the first psychological resistance level. Any move above that level, we expect a positive momentum towards 50,270 to 50,400 levels. So that's it from my end. I requested way to team to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, yeah, looking at the overall data, see, the first thing is the VIX has come down drastically, which is very good. Looking at the data, it definitely tells us that some more buying can probably come in from that sub 23,500, 23,400 odd levels. We expect Nifty to bounce after a deep, open in the red today. But 23,300 to 23,400 zone is a very good support zone. So we expect some bounce back to come in. Open interest wise, some dip is seen in open interest, and but still, the open interest is a little high. We can probably see some more short covering coming in as some more bounce back can come in from tomorrow onwards. The resistance for Nifty is around 24,000 with the highest call base around those areas. Not much call built up is seen anywhere else. So probably more buying can come in once 23,500 is broken above again, and then Nifty can go up quite significantly. Um, from the stock specific front, it is going to be script wise. Don't see any one sector outperforming. So yeah, as of now, it doesn't seem like any sector can go down as well. We expect banking as a whole to witness some short covering because a lot of open interest is there in banking, but that can be probably from tomorrow onwards. So yeah, look out for the same. That's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Thank you, Nirav. Good morning, everyone. On the result front, Aarti Industries posted the result marginally below expectation. Revenue grew by around 6.2%. There was a volume uptake across end applications such as dyes, pigments, polymer additives, but agrochemicals remained soft. Also, pricing pressure continues across products. Uh, because of this, overall margins were lower at around 12.6% versus 15% in the same quarter last year. Profit was also down at rupees 46 crore versus rupees 124 crore in the same quarter last year. This is also on account of mark to market loss on a long term ECB loan of rupees 23 crore. The stock is trading at a PE of around 32 times to FY26 earnings. We are neutral on the stock, but we will provide further updates from the today's con call. Vinati Organics Limited posted the result above expectations, mainly in terms of margins. Revenue grew by around 16% on a YY basis, and operating margins were at around 27% versus the expectation of around 26%. The stock is trading at a PE of around 36 times to FY26 EPS, and we are neutral on the stock. Thank you.
Good morning. Auto sales number for Numbers for January 2025 were released on 1st February. So the overall auto market witnessed a mixed trend. In passenger vehicle, the passenger vehicle segment delivered stable growth, with Maruti Suzuki posting a 6% year-on-year increase, in line with expectations. Mahindra and Mahindra auto division outperformed with 16% year-on-year growth. Its tractor business also performed above expectations. However, Tata Motor PV saw a decline of 10.6% year-on-year, but numbers are above expectations. Hyundai Motor reported a slight 3% year-on-year drop, but maintained strong month-on-month momentum. CV market showed a mixed trend. Ashok Leyland grew by 8% year-on-year, marginally above expectations. Tata Motors CV sales remained almost flat on year-on-year basis and declined 6% month-on-month. Eicher Motors VEC division posted an impressive 20% year-on-year growth, showing strong demand for premium CVs. In two-wheeler segment showed strong performance, with Hero MotoCorp grew 2% year-on-year but grew 36% month-on-month. TVS Motor sales grew by 17% year-on-year. Eicher Motors Royal Enfield reported a robust 20% year-on-year growth, signaling strong demand for pre- premium motorcycles. In three-wheelers, the three-wheeler segment also performed well. Atul Auto posted 20% year-on-year growth. Overall, the three-wheeler segment continues its growth trajectory driven by urban mobility and commercial demand. So the factors like consumer sentiments and rural demand will play a key role in shaping the industry performance. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, about our monthly call that will be held today evening at 4 o'clock. So there we will update about the budget in detail and also recommend the script based on that. So do join to that. And from here, now request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, we are expecting profit taking in gold and silver. Gold prices are likely to test 81, 800, 700 on downside. So, any pullback around 82, 200, one can initiate a sell with a stop loss of 82, 500. Wherein silver we are expecting prices to test 6200, 9200, 500 on lower end. So sell around 93,000 with a stop loss of 93,800. And in crude oil, we are expecting a positive momentum. So buying on dip around 6380 is recommended with a stop loss of 6320. On upside, again, 6500 is the level where one can book profits. In natural gas, we are expecting prices to test 300 on upside. So buying at 280 with a stop loss of 270. And in copper, we are expecting prices to test 828, 818. So sell around 824 with a stop loss of 830. And in zinc also, it is expected to test 258. So any pullback around 261, one can sell with a stop loss of 260, 250. That's it from us. Thank you very much.